Hi guys. It's kind of strange since I'm not there, but I wanted to go over the hook exercise with you just so that I know we all have it right and we're ready to move on because our next document we're going to look at is the background essay. So I am going to explain some of this with you. Let's see. I have my documents here. So eventually you are going to answer the question of what was Harriet Tubman's greatest achievement? The overview says Harriet Tubman is one of America's better known heroes. Who is not so well known is that Harriet Tubman is long and has a number of chapters. The mini Q presents several glimpses of the Tubman story and asks you to determine her greatest achievement. So, the hook exercise, the directions. The Underground Railroad, which I want you all to note, is not an actual railroad. There are no train cars. It is like a code name for the movement of getting slaves out and up into like Canada or the North. So, the Underground Railroad was a network of people and safe houses. It helped slaves escape from the South and travel to northern states and Canada. Below are a number of code words used by participants that have been found in old letters and diaries. We have to match the definition to the term. So let's go in order. Station masters. Okay. Station masters. There's Miles. Station masters. We have to look now. It's probably people, right? So it might be financial contributors. Landon. It might be, it's not the South because that's not people. It's not escape routes. Escape wagon, no, that's not people. Network members, could be. An escape mission or plan, nope. Canada, nope. Escorts who journeyed with fugitives, might be. Harriet Tubman's nickname, nope. A safe house, nope. And fugitives, maybe. So if we're looking at station masters, excuse me guys, go sit down. It's like having 8th graders in my house. So I think the one that makes the most sense is a network members who supported and hid fugitives, which meant they were kind of stationed along the way. So we're going to type that in. Okay. Network members who supported and hid fugitives. See, I still can't spell even when I'm virtually teaching. Depot or state. So now looking at the document, I'm going to look and the depot, like where they were, we're looking for a safe place here. Oh, safe houses, sometimes a barn or a secret room. So we'll type that in. Sometimes a barn or a secret room. Okay. Then I'm looking at conductors, and conductors are the people who kind of like move the people along. The escorts. So we'll put that in. Escorts who journeyed, did I spell it right? With fugitives. Cargo. Cargo. That's the fugitives. The slaves, really, right? Fugitives. Stockholders. Oop, wrong document. Stockholders, we have the stockholders, we think of money, so we're going to go with financial. Financial contributors. Railroad car. Now we're going to look for like something like wagon. I think that was in here. Safe houses. Escape wagon. Yep. So let's write that down. Escape wagon. Land of Egypt. Land of Egypt. That's where they're going to be the most safe. Or sorry, that's where they're trying to leave from. So that would be the south. Land of Egypt is the south. New Canaan is Canada. That's where they're trying to go. Exodus is an escape mission or plan. Sorry, spelling. Moses, that was Harriet Tubman's nickname. Harriet Tubman's nickname. because kind of like in the Bible, she was trying to lead people to freedom. Liberty lines, that's the only one left. So we have escape route to the north. And that is it. So here are the answers. I want you to go back and look at them in case you got confused last class. And then the last, number 2 for this, decode the sentence by rephrasing it in your own words. It's a long haul from Egypt to New Canaan with the amount of cargo on board. Moses will need a string of depots and at least 2 or 3 conductors to make it through. So a long haul, it is a long way from Egypt was the south, right? The south to New Canaan was Canada, with the amount of cargo on board, with the amount of fugitives, which are slaves, on board. Moses, Harriet, Tubman will need a string of safe houses and at least 2 or 3 escorts to help her make it. That's it. So press pause, look at what I wrote, but that's kind of the answers. So the next class, I'm going to do a video with going through the background essay, and I hope this helps as you move forward. Don't get frustrated. Email me if you have any questions, and I'm going to start doing office hours tomorrow. So I'll email all the students kind of what that'll look like. I miss you all. I hope you're all doing great. I'm going crazy in here. We're going crazy in here. All right. See you guys. Bye.